Hey everyone, welcome back to Lift and Shift Fit. Are you ready to kickstart your day the healthy way? I am so excited to be back in the kitchen with you today, whipping up some seriously delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? It's what gives us the energy to power through our workouts, conquer our to-do lists, and just feel amazing. But let's be real, mornings can be super hectic. That's why I'm sharing 3 of my go-to crazy easy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy mornings. We're talking minimal ingredients, minimal prep time, and maximum flavor. Let's get cooking. All right, let's kick things off with a breakfast classic, overnight oats. This is a go-to recipe for anyone who loves a quick, nutritious, and delicious breakfast. This recipe is so simple, it almost feels like cheating. You can prepare it in just a few minutes before bed and wake up to a ready-to-eat meal. First things first, grab your favorite jar or container. Mason jars work great for this. They're not only practical, but also make your breakfast look Instagram-worthy. Now let's add in half a cup of rolled oats. These oats are packed with fiber and will keep you full throughout the morning. I'm using old-fashioned oats today, but quick oats work too. Old-fashioned oats give a chewier texture, while quick oats will be softer. Next up, half a cup of almond milk. This will soak into the oats overnight, making them soft and creamy. You can use any milk you prefer, but I find almond milk gives it a nice creamy texture. Plus, it's a great dairy-free option. Time for some flavor. Add in a tablespoon of almond butter. This adds a rich, nutty taste and a dose of healthy fats. This is where you can get creative and use your favorite nut butter. Peanut butter, cashew butter, whatever you're feeling. Each one brings its own unique flavor and texture. Now for some sweetness and a pop of color, I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of mixed berries. They're full of antioxidants and vitamins. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, go wild! You can even mix in some seasonal fruits for a fresh twist. Give everything a good mix, making sure the oats and milk are well combined. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Pop on the lid, give it a good shake, and place it in the fridge overnight. The magic happens while you sleep. That's it! See, I told you it was easy. You've just made a nutritious breakfast in no time. In the morning, your oats will be nice and creamy, the berries will be juicy, and the almond butter will have swirled throughout, creating the most delicious flavor combination. It's like having dessert for breakfast. You can enjoy it straight from the jar or pour it into a bowl. Either way, it's going to be delicious. If you're feeling fancy, add some extra toppings like sliced banana, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey. These add even more flavor and nutrition. This overnight oats recipe is perfect for meal prep. You can make several jars at once and have breakfast ready for the whole week. Make a big batch on Sunday and you've got breakfast sorted for the entire week. It's a time saver and ensures you start your day with a healthy meal. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and nutritious breakfast that's ready when you are. Enjoy your overnight oats with berries and almond butter. Next up, we're making savory breakfast muffins that are packed with protein and veggies. These muffins are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making them a perfect start to your day. These are perfect for those mornings when you crave something warm and satisfying. Imagine biting into a muffin that's bursting with flavors and packed with the goodness of fresh vegetables. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grab your muffin tin. This step is crucial to ensure that your muffins bake evenly and come out perfectly cooked. Grease it lightly with some cooking spray or coconut oil to prevent sticking. This will make it easier to remove the muffins once they're baked, and it adds a subtle flavor to the muffins. Now let's whisk together 4 eggs in a large bowl. Eggs are the base of our muffins, providing a rich source of protein and helping to bind all the ingredients together. I like to add a splash of milk or water to the eggs for extra fluffiness. This little trick makes the muffins light and airy, giving them a wonderful texture. Season generously with salt and pepper, or your favorite herbs and spices. This is where you can get creative and add your personal touch to the muffins. Time to load up on those veggies. Vegetables add color, flavor, and a ton of nutrients to our muffins. I'm adding a handful of chopped spinach, which is rich in iron and vitamins. A few cherry tomatoes cut in half, adding a burst of sweetness and juiciness, and some diced bell peppers, which are high in vitamin C and add a nice crunch. Feel free to get creative with your veggie combinations. Mushrooms, onions, zucchini, anything goes. You can even add some leftover roasted vegetables from last night's dinner. Give everything a good mix, making sure the veggies are evenly distributed throughout the egg mixture. This ensures that every bite of the muffin is packed with flavor. Now, carefully pour the mixture into the muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. This allows room for the muffins to rise as they bake. If you're feeling cheesy, sprinkle a little bit of shredded cheese on top of each muffin. Cheddar, mozzarella, feta, whatever you prefer. The cheese adds a deliciously melty and savory topping to the muffins. Pop the muffin tin in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the muffins are puffed up and golden brown. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely irresistible. Once they're done, let them cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. These egg muffins are amazing for meal prep. You can make a batch at the beginning of the week and have a quick, nutritious breakfast ready every morning. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge, and you've got a grab-and-go breakfast or snack ready to go. They also freeze well, so you can make a double batch and have them on hand for even longer. All right, let's wrap things up with a refreshing and energizing green smoothie bowl. This vibrant and nutrient-packed bowl is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Perfect for kickstarting your day with a burst of energy and vitality. This one is perfect for those mornings when you need a quick and nutritious breakfast that will power you through the day. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or just need a wholesome start, this smoothie bowl has got you covered. Grab your blender and let's get started. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and flexibility. You can easily customize it to suit your taste and dietary preferences. First up, a handful of spinach. Spinach is a fantastic base for any green smoothie because it's mild in flavor and blends seamlessly with other ingredients. Don't worry, you won't even taste it, I promise. The other ingredients will mask the spinach flavor, leaving you with a deliciously sweet and creamy smoothie. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, one ripe banana. Bananas are rich in potassium and provide natural sweetness without the need for added sugars. Bananas add natural sweetness and creaminess to the smoothie. They also help to thicken the texture, making your smoothie bowl more satisfying and filling. If your banana isn't quite ripe yet, no worries. You can still use it, but it might not be as sweet. Alternatively, you can use a frozen banana for an even creamier texture. Just peel it, chop it up, and pop it in the freezer for later. Frozen bananas are a great way to reduce food waste and always have smoothie-ready fruit on hand. Frozen bananas make smoothies extra thick and creamy. They also add a nice chill to your smoothie bowl, making it even more refreshing. Now, half a cup of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that's low in calories and has a subtle nutty flavor. Again, feel free to use any milk you like. Whether it's oat milk, cashew milk, or even regular cow's milk, choose what suits your taste and dietary needs. I'm using unsweetened almond milk today, but coconut milk, soy milk, or even regular cow's milk would work too. Each type of milk will give your smoothie a slightly different flavor and texture. If you like your smoothies extra cold, add a few ice cubes to the blender. Ice cubes can also help to thicken the smoothie if you prefer a more frozen consistency. I'm skipping the ice today because my ingredients are already cold. Using cold ingredients ensures that your smoothie bowl is perfectly chilled without needing extra ice. Now put the lid on the blender and blend everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy. This should only take a minute or two, depending on the power of your blender. If your blender is struggling, add a little bit more liquid, a tablespoon at a time, until it blends easily. You want a smooth, pourable consistency that's not too thick or too runny. Pour the smoothie into your favorite bowl and let's talk toppings. Toppings are what makes smoothie bowls so fun and customizable. This is where you can get really creative and add your favorite superfoods and crunchy textures. Think nuts, seeds, granola, fresh fruit, and even a drizzle of nut butter. I'm adding a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Chia seeds also add a nice crunch and a bit of texture to the smoothie bowl. A tablespoon of granola for some satisfying crunch and whole grains. Granola adds a bit of sweetness and a lot of texture, making each bite interesting. And a few slices of fresh fruit for sweetness and color. Fresh fruit not only makes your smoothie bowl look beautiful, but also adds a burst of flavor and additional nutrients. I'm using strawberries today, but blueberries, raspberries, or even mango would be delicious. Feel free to mix and match your favorite fruits to create a colorful and tasty topping. And there you have it. A beautiful, nutritious, and delicious green smoothie bowl that's perfect for any time of the day. A refreshing, energizing, and totally Instagram-worthy green smoothie bowl that's ready in minutes. Enjoy it as a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a healthy dessert. Bon appetit! And there you have it, 3 quick and healthy breakfasts to kickstart your day. Which one are you going to try first? The overnight oats, the veggie-packed egg muffins, or the refreshing green smoothie bowl? I hope these recipes inspire you to make breakfast a priority and fuel your body with nutritious and delicious food. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so let's make it count. If you try any of these recipes, be sure to tag me on social media. I love seeing your creations. And don't forget to subscribe to Lift and Shift Fit for more healthy recipes and fitness tips. See you in the next one.